Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how deployment strategies are really working inside when we deploy our application, how internally it is going to work. There are many deployment strategies like recreate, rolling update, and, blue green deployment, canary and deployment. There are so many ways. It's depending on the company's size and the company budget. They are going to choose the deployment strategies. In this video, I'm going to just explain two deployment strategies. One is rolling update, and the second one is recreate deployment strategies. Now, I'm going to explain how recreate deployment strategies internally works. Imagine a three pods which is running one application which is having a version 1. Now I need to update this version 1 to version 2. This is version 2 pods. How I am going to update? This is the what the deployment starter this is really happens. How you are updating the from version 1 to version 2. Three pods version 1, these three pods with a version 2. Now, how recreate deployment strategies is really working inside means I have three pod with a version 1. What it is doing when we are using the recreate deployment strategies, it is just going down these three pods and again it is creating the three pods with a new version 2. With a new version, it is just creating the pods. This is what recreate deployment strategies. I will explain once more. I have a version 1 pods. It is just going down and again it is creating the three pods with a new version. This is how recreate strategies is going to work. In this, there is a some downtime. Suppose I have three pods. There is still downtime, right? User may affect in this deployment strategies. So this is what the recreate deployment strategies. Now I'm going to explain how rolling update deployment strategies is going to work. This is the I really wondered about how rolling update strategies is going to work when I'm working on the Kubernetes. Suppose three pods with the version 1, I need to update to the version 2. How rolling update is going to work, right? Three pods. First, it is create a one pod with a new version 2. First, it is going to create a one pod. Now again, it is going to down one pod. Again, it is create a one more pod with a new version. Again, it is going to down one old pod. Again, it is going to create a one more pod with a new version. Again, then it is going to down the old pod. Like this, it is going to create a new version without any downtime. With the zero downtime, using the rolling update, we can update our application from version 1 to version 1. Now I'm going to explain once more. I feel really happy to share this experience, how I found how when I'm working, I feel each line when I analyze the each logs by watching the comments, by running the watch comments. I feel very happy. Okay, how okay this is what really happening, right? When we are doing the rolling updates, three pods. First, it is going to create a one pod, then it is going to down one pod, create one more pod, then down one pod, create one more pod, then down one pod. Like this, it is going to update the application from version 1 to version 2. This is what all about my video. In the next upcoming videos, I will show you practically how I can update my application from version 1 to version 2 in a Kubernetes cluster using the deployment object. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So it gives me a motivation to upload the more contentful videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.